In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for construction management. We're going to set up a project hub using ClickUp's built-in template so you can hit the ground running. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar where your work is organized. Find the section labeled Spaces. This is your highest level container in ClickUp, perfect for housing an entire construction program or a single job with all its moving parts. Click the small plus icon next to Spaces to create something new. Think of this as opening a clean binder for your project. When the creation panel appears, choose to build from a template. This speeds up setup and ensures consistency across projects. Click Templates to browse the available options. You'll see a variety of pre-built structures, but we want one purpose-built for the field. Use the search bar to look up construction management. ClickUp provides a template designed with industry workflows in mind. Open its preview to see how it's laid out. You'll notice it comes with relevant views and fields, so you don't have to start from scratch. Select it to apply to your new space. Before you dive into tasks, take a moment to adjust how the information is displayed. Switch between list, board, Gantt, or calendar views depending on what you need to see. If you're tracking timelines, Gantt will help visualize critical paths. If you're moving items through stages, the board view is excellent for status-driven work. Customize columns by showing or hiding fields like budget, priority, location, or vendor. Group by status or assignee. Sort by due date, and save the view as your default so your team always opens to the most useful layout. Inside the template, you'll find 3 core phases that mirror a typical construction workflow. These might represent planning, active build, and closeout, and they're fully customizable. Rename phases to match your terminology. Reorder them to reflect how your team operates, and remove any that don't apply. Within each phase, fine-tune statuses to align with your process, such as adding a hold or inspection status if that's a common checkpoint. Adjust custom fields so you're tracking the right details, like permit numbers, submittal dates, or site addresses. If the template includes example tasks, tailor their names and descriptions to your project so your team immediately understands what to do. Once everything looks right, give the space a clear name, set the sharing preferences appropriate for your organization, and you're ready to manage the job. For future efficiency, consider saving your tuned setup as a new template so every project starts consistent and complete.